Hello guys, welcome back. Let's talk about Mojo, a new programming language for all AI developers. I just got a notification in YouTube from Jeremy Howard yesterday and where he was actually going through the demo for Mojo launch. So what is Mojo? It is a new programming language for all AI developers. This is really interesting for me because I haven't created the programming related videos and I use Python most of the time. This seems to be the steroids of Python as what they have claimed so far. So it combines the usability of Python with the performance of C, unlocking unparalleled programmability of AI hardware and extensibility of AI models. Because right now everybody claims that Python is slow, and then they need to rely on top of C++ or CUDA and all these things to make it faster, right? So here they have also claimed that write everything in one language. So write Python or scale all the way down to the metal. Program the multitude of low-level AI hardware. No C++ or CUDA is required. This is actually quite huge what they have claimed here. So I'm actually quite impressed with what they have shown here. They haven't provided 8 hours to try. I have already signed up here because you need to sign up first to get access to their playground. And let's just first go through the web page. It says unlock the Python performance. Yeah, we can utilize the full performance of Python and all these things. I will provide the link, and the good part here is that as you can see here in the left side, the Python single threaded execution. If you are using Python, you know this, right? But the Mojo is already a parallel processing across multiple cores, meaning that we don't need to have another programming language underneath Python. So we can do all the things with one programming language. That is really huge actually. So yeah, if you just see here, I was surprised that they are claiming it is 35,000 times faster than Python. That's impressive actually. And then accelerate the entire Python ecosystem, and they have provided some of the things here. But if we go up here in the engine, and they have also provided this performance dash. So this is actually interesting. Here you can see that to cost for 1000k inference modular cost 3.81. Why modular? Because Mojo is from the modular company, and the PyTorch, and then there is the TensorFlow, right? They claim that it is that cheaper compared to the other things. And here there is the hardware part also. They have shown some things. Unlock your hardware design with software. Yeah, all the things, right? For AI developers, they are mainly focused on this because as we all know, Python is the main language we use in training the models and all these big large language models, right? So if this comes into play, it would be really fun to create applications using the Mojo programming language. So what else you can go through here? If you go to the docs here, so yeah, it says here there is the Python API, there is the C API, and there is C++, which is coming soon, and all the different things, right? So as I said before, here is the inference engine Python demo. So if I just click this and right click and open here, as you can see here, they have provided all the different things, how it works. Just by seeing this, it is just like Python, right? So there is not that things just by seeing here, but they have different pieces which makes Python in storage, let's say in that way. So what else we have here? Let me go here. Okay, inference engine for Python API, C++, and all these things, and get started in Python. It's here. You can just go through this. I will provide the link in the description box. And the good part here, when I went through the video, is if you see here, they are using this percentage Python sign. That means if you have used Databricks, you know that in one notebook we can write Python code, SQL code, Scala, Java, and other different things, right? Similar to this, they have created their own notebook like Mojo notebook, and you can write other different programming language also there. And then from this video also, Jeremy is actually comparing how Python performs and how the Mojo performs and so on. So yeah, this sounds to be interesting. Is it Python killer? I don't know, because Python has been used for so many years, and if it claims what it is going to do, it can be the Python killer also, but they haven't provided the code yet in the GitHub. Let me go and search in Git actually, Mojo GitHub, and I hope, yeah, here is the GitHub and Mojo. So yeah, it's actually empty. There is nothing here. Great. But there are already some issues. Well, where people are saying bug in the example code, is Mojo open source free, or all these things. Let's see how it goes, and I am actually super excited to use this once this is provided for us to use. Let's see when I will get access to try this. Once I get access to try this, I will start creating the videos, because this is new and I need to learn myself. So when I am learning myself, I will create the videos so that you guys who is watching also get benefit out of it, so you can also try. Yeah, that's just a quick walkthrough through this new programming language. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.